Your First Funnel Challenge review video. So as you can tell by today's video title, I want to go over the Your First Funnel Challenge in a lot of detail and just basically give you an update and a nice summary so you can really make an informed decision to see if this event's going to be worth your time, and just go over all the details for you so you don't actually miss out. So if you do want to go through all the details and learn more about this event and get all the information you need, I will be providing a link down below in the video description so you can actually attend the Your First Funnel Challenge for free. Because the amazing news about this particular event that it's actually 100% for free. So as you can see, join the Your First Funnel Challenge for free right here, and Your First Funnel Challenge, and all you have to do is just put in your email, and then you can join the Your First Funnel Challenge now for 100% for free. So for free, which is just excellent news, because that means that a lot of people will be able to take advantage of this information. It's going to be shared right here on the Your First Funnel Challenge right here. So yeah, if we basically go over here, in a nutshell, Your First Funnel Challenge is going to be a 5-day event. There's a lot of special surprise guests right here. They're going to be attending, or not even attending, sorry. They're going to be a part of this event. So they're going to be providing a lot of value for us to all to learn. I feel like this event's going to be great for not only people who are beginners, but also for experienced business owners and funnel builders as well, because there's a lot of information and a lot of knowledge that's going to be actually taught in this event, and it's going to be a lot of golden nuggets to pick up that we can actually apply to our own businesses, or new businesses as well, if you want to launch your own business idea to really get the ball rolling and getting the results that you're looking for. And of course, there's a surprise guest, like a massive surprise guest, Daymond John right here. Daymond John's obviously a very, very well-known entrepreneur. He's on Shark Tank and has provided, he's basically known as the people's shark, because it's just very, very charismatic and very, very well-known and popular. So he's going to be a part of the event with Russell Brunson, who's obviously hosting the event, which is just really exciting stuff as well, and providing a lot of value, hopefully, which I'm really, really excited to see myself. And if we scroll down below, there's a lot of information on this page. I just want to basically summarize it for you so you can really get a good idea of what you can expect. And like I was saying throughout today's video, this event's 100% for free, and it's essentially a 5-day event. So there's day 1, funnel hacking. There's day 2, your first funnel. Day 3, hook story offer. Day 4, irresistible ads. And day 5, do it now. So these are basically the 5 days of the Your First Funnel Challenge. Each day goes over a different component of how you can actually launch your business idea. So funnel hacking, your first funnel, the power of actually resonating with your audience through stories and having a hook, and obviously connecting that with your offer. Irresistible ads, so essentially how you can actually get in front of people and get eyeballs to your offer so you can actually make sales. And I do have some bonuses as well. We'll be providing a link down below in the video description to my bonus page, which basically, so I don't overwhelm you too much, there's another offer. So basically, once you sign up right here, you'll put in your email address, you'll be redirected to step 2. And during the upgrade, basically, it's essentially just an upgrade so you can try out the ClickFunnels 2.0 platform for 30 days for free. And that will basically allow you to try out the platform for 30 days for free. And for all the people that do that, through my link down below, I will be offering bonuses, which again, I'll provide a link down below to my bonus page, which goes over that in a lot more detail. So we'll just leave that as that, so I don't overwhelm you guys, and just go over the Your First Funnel Challenge, which is the point of today's video anyway. But yeah, there's a 5-day event, so obviously day 5 is all about taking action and doing it now. So this is more of a motivational day, in my personal opinion, where you'll hear Daymond John's bootstrap story. So how he actually made it with his own business, and how you can essentially have the right mindset so you can really go forward with this business with success as well. And like I said, the VIP upgrade right here, it's essentially a upgrade so you can get the ClickFunnels 2.0 for 30-day free trial pretty much, and you get all these other different bonuses as well to really maximize your success and put you in the right direction, in terms of really being prepared for not only for this 5-day challenge, but for actually launching your business idea to the world, and even growing your existing business if that's what you want to do as well. So yeah, basically that's pretty much it for today's video. I do have an article as well, so there's a couple of different resources or links that will be provided down below for your convenience in the video description down below, that you can actually go to and refer to so you can get all the information you need. And I will be updating this article as well. And yeah, just want to make a quick video going over the Your First Funnel Challenge and doing a bit of a review on the information that's available right now, and where you can actually go ahead and most importantly learn more about the Your First Funnel Challenge, so you can really get the information and sign up while it's still available, of course. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you found a bunch of value in my Your First Funnel Challenge video. Cheers.